So, guys, I'm in the background music, but I'm going to load my avatar world characters. I wrote myself. So wait, I forgot to introduce these. This is my mom. This is what she looks like in real life, and this is my dad. First, I'm going to blow up my mom. Well, she's a bit with the summer vibe, and I know the perfect top for that. Also, I'm going to find her something nice. The same pants that I use with the. Oh wait, that wasn't meant to happen in the background music. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm not right now outside. I'm just watching a movie. Well, no, that's not what she usually wears. I think it's like this or something like this. I guess this the well or this. I'll just go with that one. Then I need to find like, why is there? Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to add like a bat here because this is like I don't know where we are introducing to. I like wanted to make it like a summer movie. Oh wait, I forgot some hat on. This looks nice. This looks nice as well. But the most thing I think is nice is this hat and this one. But I will go with ooh, this cherry one looks nice. I will keep that.